In this question, we have been given the initial velocity of projection to be 30 meters per second for the projectile. The initial angle of projection is 30 degree, and you need to find out the angle with the horizontal that the velocity vector makes after 1.5 seconds. So, in any projectile motion, if the object is at this point and we need to find out the angle which it makes with the horizontal, then you need to find the angle which the velocity vector makes with the horizontal at that point. This can always be found out by taking components of the velocity vector, that is Vx and Vy at that moment, and you can write this as tan theta is equal to Vy by Vx, that is theta is equal to tan inverse Vy by Vx. So in this question, to find out the angle with horizontal, what we need to find out is the y component and the x component of the velocity vectors after 1.5 seconds. Let us concentrate on the y component first. For y component, for y direction motion, let us consider the y direction motion. For y direction motion, the initial velocity, that is uy, was equal to 30, the component of 30 in y direction, that is 30 sine 30 degree, that is equal to 15 meters per second. So initial y component of the velocity was 15 meters per second if we take the above direction to be positive. Now acceleration was equal to minus g, acceleration was equal to minus g, and time is equal to 1.5 seconds. Let us find the final y component of the velocity. So we get this as, using v is equal to u plus at, we get this as 15 minus 10 into 1.5, that is equal to 0. So we get the final y component of the velocity as 0. Luckily, we need not find out the x component of velocity anymore, because we already know that the y component of the velocity is 0 at the topmost point, but its whole velocity is only horizontal in nature. So in this case, the angle with the horizontal which the velocity vector makes is 0. So the answer for this question is angle with horizontal is 0 degree, since the object is at the topmost point of its projectile.